Banking Law Notes by MG Law. Now we will do Foreign Exchange Management Act FEMA, page number 45. Foreign Exchange Management Act FEMA. What is foreign exchange? Foreign exchange is like Indian currency is rupees, and there are foreign currencies like dollar, pound, euro. Okay, if you exchange Indian currency with any other currency, okay, you pay like 75 rupees, in exchange of it you get $1. This is called foreign exchange. Okay, and to management all these transactions, there is a act called Exchange Management Act. So what is this act? This act is a set of rules which empowers the Reserve Bank of India and enables the government of India to pass rules related to forex. Okay, so FEMA is a set of rules which empower the RBI and enable government of India to pass rules related to forex. Okay, it enables and empowers them. Before FEMA, what was the rule? The rule before FEMA was FERA. So FERA was replaced by FEMA. Okay, so FEMA replaced FERA. FERA means Foreign Exchange Regulation Act. Okay, why FERA was replaced by FEMA? Because there were too many restrictions in FERA. Okay, and FERA was not compatible with liberalization policy. The liberalization policy which came during the 1990 or 1991, the FERA was not compatible with it. Okay, so the objectives of FEMA were to reduce restrictions which were imposed in FERA. So now the offenses in forex, they came to be civil and they were not criminal. Okay, before, during the time of FERA, these the offenses in forex were criminal, but in FEMA the offenses in forex became civil. Okay, and what was another objective? The another objective was to develop forex market in India. Okay, forex market development in India, so that there is an increase in forex flow, so that our cash forex reserve could grow. What are the main provisions of FEMA? These are that there is an authorized person, any person who is authorized by RBI, Reserve Bank of India, only he can deal in forex. Okay, the dealings, if you want to buy forex, you can buy, like if you pay 75 rupees and you want to buy $1, then you have to go to an authorized person, and only an authorized person can deal in forex. Okay, and only he can hold the forex, no other person can hold forex. It's illegal to hold forex without authorization by RBI. Then there are current account transactions. What are current account transactions? Current account transactions are like if you go to a foreign country for travel, or you go to a foreign country for education to take admission in a foreign university, or for the medical care of your parents, children, or spouse. Okay, and what are other current account transactions? They are like any due on your loan interest. Okay, or your short-term business loan due. These all come under current account transaction. So if you go to a foreign country or for travel, education, or for any of these purpose, you have to make the payment in the foreign currency. So you have to pay them in foreign currency, in their own currency. So you can do it without any restriction. Okay, you are allowed to do it, but there are certain limits which are fixed by RBI after discussion with government of India. Like you can do transaction of foreign currency only of, it's for example like only of 2 crore rupees value. Okay, you can send this much amount value of, like if you are in a foreign university, you can make payment of the fees only till 2 crore rupees of value of dollars. Okay, these type of limits are fixed by RBI. Like you can transact only about 2 crore rupees value of dollars in a year. Okay, only these are the limits. The exporters who sell goods outside India, they have to give details to RBI, Reserve Bank of India, about goods sold outside India. Okay, what are the penalties if you contravene FEMA rules? If anyone contravenes FEMA rules or do anything against FEMA rules, then the penalty is 3 times the sum involved in contravention. Okay, If the contravention continues, then you have to pay 5,000 rupees per day. If you think you have been wrongly the penalty has been put wrongly on you, you are innocent, then you can appeal. What is the process of appeal? The government of India can appoint an adjudicating authority. Okay, the adjudicating authority will see that how much is the sum involved in the contravention. So if you are found guilty, if the sum involved in contravention is less than 1 crore, then the maximum civil imprisonment penalty will be 6 months. If the amount involved is more than 1 crore, then the maximum civil imprisonment will be for 3 years. Okay, if you think you have to appeal against it, then you can appeal to the special director or also in appellate tribunal or in high court. So this is FEMA. Let's have a quick revision. So foreign exchange management tax, FEMA. What is foreign exchange? Like exchange of one currency into another. Okay, like Indian rupees into dollar, Indian rupees into pound, or Indian rupees into euro. So what is this act? This act is a set of rules which empowers the RBI and enables the government of India to pass rules related to the forex. Okay, it replaced FERA, which was Foreign Exchange Regulation Act. Why it replaced FERA? Because there were too many restrictions in FERA, and the FERA was not compatible with foreign liberalization policy. So the objectives of FEMA were to reduce restrictions imposed by FERA. So now the offense in forex became civil. It is not criminal as it was criminal in FERA. It the FEMA was also came to develop the forex market in India so that there is an increase in the forex flow in India. What are some main provisions? The main provisions like there is an authorized person who is authorized by RBI. Only he can deal in forex and only he can hold in forex. What are current account transactions? Current account transactions are transactions done for foreign travel, foreign education, or medical treatment in foreign country of your parents, children, or spouse, or any due on your interest due on your loan, or any short-term business loan due. Okay, these are all current account transactions. If you have to make payment in a foreign currency, then you are allowed to do it, no restriction, but there are certain limits fixed by the RBI after discussion with government of India. Like you can do only a two, like for example only 2 crore rupees value of foreign currency, like 2 crore value rupees, uh, which can be converted into dollars, only that much amount in a year. Okay, I hope I think you have understood what I'm trying to say. Then one provision is about exporter. Exporters have to give details to RBI about the goods they sell outside India. Okay, then another provision is about penalty. If anyone contravenes FEMA rules, the penalty will be 3 times sum involved in the contravention. If the contravention continues, the amount is 5,000 per day. If you want to appeal against it, the government of India can appoint adjudicating authority. If you are found guilty, then if the sum is less than 1 crore, the maximum civil imprisonment will be 6 months. If the sum involved is more than 1 crore, then maximum civil imprisonment term will be 3 years. Okay, you can appeal against the judgment to the special director and also in appellate tribunal or high court. The PDF link will be in description box or the comment box. You can get it from there if you want it for revision.